Looks like rain.
Faye, we're inside. I think we'll be fine.
Suit yourself. Are you ready to get the show started?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Hi, I'm Faye,
And I'm Fluffy.
and we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, read the house down!
Hi, everyone. So wonderful to see all of you today, and we have a special friend with us today who is doing American Sign Language Interpreting, also known as ASL. You can all say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Spending time with all of you is one of our favorite things to do.
That's right. You know, for a really long time, I had this amazing big dream that one day I'd be able to be standing on the stage entertaining a wonderful audience just like you. And guess what? Here I am. Fluffy, do you have any big dreams?
I definitely have some dreams, like when I'm sleeping, right? I have this dream where this elephant wearing a fancy sparkly cowboy hat won't let me on the school bus.
No, not sleep dreams. I mean like a dream or a hope for your life. Can you think of anything?
I'd love to adopt a new cat one day.
That's a great start. Can you think of anything bigger?
I'd love to adopt a big cat one day.
Can you think of anything bigger?
I hope to go scuba diving one day.
That's a great idea. That's a great dream. Do any of you have big dreams that you could share with us?
I like to go scuba diving.
We can go scuba diving together one
That
day.
would be amazing.
I wish I can be a rock star. I'd like to be a celebrity when you grow up.
What I would like to become is a gamer, an adult gamer.
Those are all such fantastic dreams, but Faye, why is it important to have dreams in the first place?
By having dreams, we have something that we can work towards or look forward to. Wouldn't everything be kind of boring if we didn't really understand the limitless possibilities that we could have in our lives?
Oh, great point. If I never dreamed about visiting another country, I would have never gone on my trip to the Philippines.
Exactly. Can anyone else think about why it's important to have big dreams? Paige.
It's important to have big dreams because if you have little dreams, they're not going to be good.
Because the bigger they are, the more exciting it could be, and then it'll be like more likely chance to happen is for you to experience it.
Big dreams make me or make us really wake up and think about the future.
Faye, what if some dreams are so big that I don't even know where to start?
The thing is, even the biggest dreams start with one small step. Setting out goals for us allows us opportunities to see how we can achieve our dreams.
Okay, maybe you can help me out. I have the dream of being the world's best juggler. So what is something that I should do to become the world's best juggler?
Keep practicing.
Oh, I love that.
Practice and hard work.
You need to make sure that you're ready. If you're going to be a famous juggler, you need to make sure that you're ready to be in lots of people.
You need a proper outfit. You need the balls.
Well, maybe because I'm just gonna practice right now, I need these. They're not balls. Do you think that they might work? Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Go, Fluffy, go! Go, Fluffy, go! Go, Fluffy, go! Go, Fluffy, go!
Thank you all for all of your support. I'm gonna keep practicing.
Welcome! I need to pick out an outfit inspired by my dream of being a teacher. Help me pick out a teacher outfit.
Yes!
Great! Let's see what we have here. Wow! Do you think this shows people my dream of being a teacher?
No!
You're right. This would be a good outfit if my dream was to be a firefighter. What a cool outfit. But does this say teacher?
No!
You're right. There's no way this look is my teacher dream. Let's try again. Ooh la la. Do I look like a teacher now?
Yes!
It's Teach-tastic. Selfie time. Thank you for making my dream come true.
Hi, I'm Lowen and I'm 8. I love the skateboard because it is super fun and challenging. I set goals for myself and work hard. I got my first skateboard when I was 5 years old. I didn't know how to ride it, but now I can ride it and do tricks like an acid drop, kick, turn, rock to fakie, and ollie and backside 180. The next trick I'm learning is a kick flip and a heel flip. It's very hard, but one day I will do it. Work hard, be the best. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Are we all ready for our settle down song?
Yeah.
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book. Today's book is All Kinds of Awesome, written by Jess Hitchman. Race awesome, case awesome, flying into space awesome.
Making awesome, baking awesome. What will you be?
I'm gonna be a chef. I'm gonna be a unicorn.
I kind of want to be a software engineer.
Art awesome, chart awesome, following your heart awesome.
Living a big city life.
Or being wild and free.
Show awesome, grow awesome, sharing what you know awesome. Paige, what are you noticing about the way that the words are written?
At the end of the word, they always sing awesome.
I feel like that's probably a pretty important word that we should be remembering.
Fashion awesome, passion awesome, finding time to play.
Me too. I like those outfits. It's like a pool outfit.
We got some good fancy outfits here. Fire awesome, hire awesome, helping to inspire awesome.
Knowing where you want to go or choosing on the way.
I like their dog.
And this dog is wearing a special vest to show that it's a service dog helping to guide their friend who can't see. Flight awesome, right awesome, kissing them goodnight awesome.
Flying high up in the sky or swimming in the sea.
Find awesome, kind awesome, making up your mind awesome.
No matter what, you'll always be. What do you think the next part is?
I think it's going to be awesome.
Aha, let's check and see. All kinds of awesome to me. The end.
Dominic, how would you say, you are awesome?
Like this. You are awesome.
I love that. Thank you for teaching us. Can we all do that?
You are awesome.
I have another question. I want to know one thing that makes you awesome.
What's awesome about me is that I'm smart, I'm kind, I'm funny, and I know how to code.
What makes you awesome, Serena?
My heart.
And Paige, how about you?
I am a good friend when somebody falls down.
Janiki, what about you?
I like to copy my mom because I want to be beautiful and put makeup on to stay my mom.
And now, Dominic, what makes you awesome?
What makes me awesome is that I'm a gamer and I'm really good at different games.
Did everyone enjoy themselves today?
We had such a wonderful time spending it with you.
I would say that it was like a dream come true.
That's so true. And remember, everybody can dream big. And I think that maybe we can have Dominic teach everybody how to say, I can dream. I can dream. Perfect. And remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.